Dimensions as quantum consciousness, tuning reality through awareness. By Alexius Fierro. In a world dominated by algorithms, data, and artificial intelligence, something quieter, deeper, is stirring. It's the re-emergence of a very old idea, dressed in modern quantum clothing. That consciousness is not a byproduct of matter, but the tuning fork of reality itself. This isn't escapism, it's ontological evolution. We're taught that dimensions are spatial measurements, length, width, depth, and time. And in advanced physics, string theory speaks of 10, maybe 11 dimensions, folded deep into the structure of space-time. But ancient traditions tell a different story. In these systems, dimensions aren't places. They're states of consciousness, levels of awareness that define how you perceive the world, and what that world reflects back to you. Here's how it breaks down. 3D. You experience linear time. You feel separate. Your identity is rooted in survival and form. 4D. The mind awakens. You start to question the narrative. Intuition sharpens. Emotions become information. 5D. Duality dissolves. Reality mirrors your inner state. Compassion becomes the compass. Time becomes symbolic. 6D and beyond. You co-create with the quantum field. Symbols replace facts. Thought becomes archetype. Polarity dissolves. You don't go to these dimensions. You tune into them. Quantum science is beginning to echo this wisdom. Superposition. A particle exists in all possible states until observed. Entanglement. Particles remain connected beyond space and time. The observer effect. Awareness collapses potential into reality. So what if consciousness isn't passive? What if you're not watching reality, but participating in its formation? Then dimensions, as fields of awareness, become not only plausible, but necessary. Let's simplify even further. 3D. You react, you defend, you strive. 4D. You begin to witness. You feel the edge of paradox. 5D. You harmonize. You lead with compassion. 6D plus. You dream while awake. You remember forward. Each is not a place, but a pattern of attention, a frequency, a resonance. How do we navigate this landscape? Stillness is your stargate. Silence reveals signal. Meditation isn't escape, it's entrance. Compassion is quantum fuel. It lifts you higher than intellect ever could. Environment is frequency medicine. What you eat, read, watch, and surround yourself with, all waveforms. Tune wisely. Synchronicity is your GPS. The universe speaks in pattern, not prose. We often ask, how do I reach the fifth dimension? But the deeper question is, what am I already tuned into? And what is calling me to tune higher? You're not a fixed observer. You're a living field. You don't need to escape Earth. You need to see it with fifth dimensional eyes. You are a quantum being, and awareness is your password. Every thought is a dial, every act of intention, a transmission. You don't find dimensions, you become them.